For this to be easy for us, we first generate those templates, and I will tell you which templates to generate. But first of all, you request for a password reset. Then what happens, Django sends an email through that form where you request from, because it is a form that has just the space where to put the email where you need those instructions. So it sets those it sends the instructions to that email, and then confirms to you that yes, I've sent you those instructions. You go there and confirm. So you go to confirm using those instructions, because they are always containing the link having the user ID and also the token for resetting the password. And then after clicking on it, they give you a password reset form. So what we will need is we shall need reset request.html, and then we shall need the email reset email.html, and then we shall need reset to show you that they approved your request.html. Oops, I wrote .html_t. I can rename this. After approving a request, they should allow you to reset email, then form.html, and after that you should get to the complete part, reset complete.html. So I will first show you the links how they go, then we come and we replace them in our templates, so that we can edit the behavior of this Django model. So let me first go to these URLs, and I put a backward slash here so that I get to a new line and show you what I'm importing again. So I have password reset view, password reset done view, password reset confirm view, and reverse lazy because I reverse in a lazy way because Django takes time in the backends to send you the email. It first considers the TLS, the transport layer security. It first considers some other things like the backends, which host are using, which host provider, maybe SMTP for Gmail, and then it reverses. Maybe after password reset you want to go to another page, it resets you to another page. So that's why I'm importing reverse lazy for this case. So I will say path, then I say password reset, or I will say password reset, let me call it request for simplicity, or for just remembering what I'm using. The request is done using password after a comma, password reset view. It is of course a class-based view, that's why I will have to use as view function. And then the name of this view, I will call it reset request. This is for using in the URLs in maybe the template reset request, but these ones I must. So if I try to come and try to password reset request, oops, let me first make sure that the server is running. I will get this where to put the email, but then I want to make this mine. I want to put it in my templates, so that's why I will come to edit it. I will come and get to I give it my template that it will use, template name, it will use accounts, then reset, I called it reset request. Yeah, reset I called it reset request.html. So reset request.html, I will come and put this password reset, forgotten your password. This is just the form, so I can still go back and copy what I had in change password.html, and I come to reset request. I say reset my password, and this is the form that will be brought to us. Then I say maybe send request. So if I do this accounts, no, I wrote it poorly, that's a typo, it should be accounts, not accounts. Sorry for that, it is accounts. It should show me that this is her. But then after clicking send request, it will have sent an email, and again it will reverse to another template. So what template will be that? It will be a template that shows the request was approved, and again the email should be what? There is that email, so I should take them. I get inside the as view function, and I say success URL should be equivalent to reverse lazy of accounts, then request. I think I had request approved. Request approved .html, and also the email template name. But then the email is sent having the other ID, the user ID, and also the token. So I should generate them from somewhere. So before trying out other things, I will say password, which is got from password reset done view. So password, I will say reset approved. I will call it that name, you can call it anything. Then I say yes, we have seen your request, and then we've approved the request. Let me first show you how it looks like. But request approved.html. Okay, let me give this request approved.html. It's where it will let me first give this to the URL, and then I get what to type in request approved.html. So oops, let me make sure my server is running. try this. So this is what they email you with password reset sent. So I'll come to request upload.html and then I make sure, let me get to my password change, and then I change some other, we are just reusing code from here, so that's why I will go to request approved and I inherit or extend register.html, and then I say password reset sent, so that I change the look of this Django interface. I make it mine, I style it, and the rest continues. Password reset sent, and then inside this it will be, it is kind of a paragraph. It is kind of a paragraph that says we've emailed you with instructions for setting your password. If an account exists with the email you entered, you should receive them shortly. If you don't receive them, an email, please make sure you've entered the correct address registered with the spam folder. So that's the email you should, that's what you should see after typing in your email where you want the instructions to be. But then before it goes there, it needs to pick the user ID and the token so that it sends you a real email. You get it? So if we do this and we try it out on some email like this, you'll see that no reverse, the reverse is not a valid view function on name. No reverse for account request upload. So what we'll have to do is to first make other links work out, then it will give you a valid response. So let's get back to the urls.py file. We have request upload